The Mercedes GLC 300 key fob uses a CR 2032 coin cell battery that needs periodic replacement. To replace it, you'll need a small flathead screwdriver or a key fob opener tool. First, locate the small notch on the edge of the fob. Insert the screwdriver into the notch and gently pry the two halves apart, being careful not to damage the plastic clips or the internal circuit board. Once open, you'll see the CR 2032 battery. Use a non-metallic tool to carefully pop out the old battery. Note the orientation of the battery. The positive plus side is usually facing up. Make sure no residue is left on the contacts. If there is, clean with a soft cloth. Insert the new CR 2032 battery with the positive plus side facing up, ensuring it's properly seated. Firmly snap the two halves of the key fob back together. Avoid over-tightening to prevent cracks. Test the fob by pressing the buttons to verify that the lights illuminate and the functions like unlocking and locking work. If the fob doesn't work, double-check the battery orientation and ensure the contacts are clean. Work in a static-free environment and dispose of the old battery responsibly at a recycling center due to its lithium content. After replacing, calibrate the fob for optimal performance.